our oil and water separator. First off, the overall dimensions. By removing the top lid cover, the dimensions for the separator will include 13 3/8 in length, 17 1/4 inches in depth, by 11 1/4 inches tall. Opening on each side, one to the front, one to the back. A radius of measuring 3 inches will apply for both. By removing the front interceptor, you can insert your main pipe connector. Additional interceptors can be removed, with the interior depth measuring 15 1/2 inches. Included will be a basket along with 2 work gloves. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.